You people should be asking yourself a question as you go back home to run your organization. Just what kind of human nature do you want to help design?
For the first time, burnout is one of the top 5 concerns of executives. The intensity and ambiguity of our roles in both our personal and professional lives take us to an increasing sense of disengagement, and 24 hours are just not enough to do everything we want.
We must make the best choices in order to fulfill our life's purpose, but making choices is no longer a natural act. It is a skill. The Adam's Choice program is a unique learning experience that will help you make choices that will deeply impact your personal and professional life.
You will learn how to design your roadmap of choices aligned with your individual challenges.
You will be inspired by some of the most exciting speakers in the world. Touch and feel the impossible and learn what happens when you suddenly dare to do something completely new.
You will learn to identify signs in your body that will help you control stress or bring empathy and trust to a completely new level.
Understand how technology, globalization, and sustainability are going to change our lives, and you will actually hack your body to learn faster, heal faster, and live longer.
You'll become a mentor who understands the power of listening.
Learn again how to have fun like a kid and exceed your limits.
Listen to things from a different perspective and face change as an opportunity to unleash your individual potential, helping others to do the same.
Understand how your choices guide your purpose to become a better leader, parent, and friend. Adam's Choice is your next best choice.